Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OSCAL Tiger 12 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now, and then close it right away by hitting OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top, and hit Send at the bottom left corner of Tiger 12. Now receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Tiger 12, using all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. And then tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now to continue, choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then just wait. If you prefer to input this key, over here, tap on Input Key section, copy all of those numbers before they expire, and last but not least, select Receive button to connect. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!